Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and once again this is Unboxing Chill. Um, we got another unboxing video today. This is what we do here, we unbox cool stuff. Did receive another watch from watchking.com. We're going to take a look at it here. We're going to check out the specs, we're going to see what's going on. Do me a favor at the beginning of the video, as I get my desk ready, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We're building a community here, a community of people who like to see cool stuff, mostly watches, but want to see some cool things unboxed. We're going to do some giveaways once we get to 1,000 subscribers, so do me a favor, just bang that subscribe button. Also, hit the like and drop a comment. Let me know what you think about what we're unboxing here. I love when you guys reach out, and I love to respond. So let's take a look here at what we got, okay? So just to cue this up, this is from watchking.com, which is a monthly subscription watch service. This is not one that you receive in a monthly subscription. They do have on the website, they have something called a watch wheel. You essentially can pay for a watch, then it's added to a wheel of other watches, and that wheel spins, and you may or may not win a watch of higher value. This watch we're into for about $50. Okay, that's what this cost, $50. And so we're going to take a look at that, see what that gets you, okay, for that price point. So what we've received today is this. Stuhrling. So a lot of you might be familiar with this brand, Stuhrling. I see them on Amazon a lot. You know, for the price, they seem like they offer a fairly decent product for the price. You know, nothing too crazy. You know, in terms of price on these, I think most Stuhrling watches are usually pretty affordable. But you know, with that affordability, you know, like I said, it seems like you get a pretty robust, pretty decent product for what it comes. I mean, obviously you get what you pay for it in any circumstance, but it seems like you know, quality for what you get is about fair. With Stuhrling, from what I notice. We'll get to a quick wristwatch check before we dive in here. This is the Seiko Solar Chronograph. I actually got this from a Watch Gang subscription. Like I said, subscription box service. This particular watch was $99. And they sent it out to me. And actually, it was a very good deal. It's probably the best watch I've gotten from them. I will leave a link to this unboxing if you want to see the full experience. Check that out. That'll be in the comment box, okay, down below. So let's go ahead and pop this open. Okay, so we'll get the paperwork out real quick, then we'll take a look at the watch here. So it looks like we just have your typical, this is all standard fare here, an instruction manual. Okay, oops, got some stuff falling out here. So we'll take a look at this here. You know, you've got your usual swag and your warranty information. Okay, got a little envelope here. Looks like my phone went off, but as far as this goes here, so this is it's like a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Okay, see the little microfiber cloth. And then you've got the box here, which I don't like their logo. I find this very cheesy. But let's see here. It says everyone deserves luxury. Okay, so let's pop this open here. So we've got the leather pillow with the watch, and that's what we got. That's what we got right there. Like I said, build quality wise, this feels very good for the price point. Like I said, keep in mind, this is only $50. Let's take the, let's see if we can remove the plastic cover here. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's go in. Let's see if we can, actually see if we can use our microfiber cloth to get this cleaned up here. And let's bring it in. So we've got, as you can see, the dial's black. It's got a nice red bezel here. Okay, and that's tactile. That's yeah, so we got a nice rotating bezel here, not too bad. I do like the red second hand. Okay, you can see that tick, so make no mistake, this is a quartz watch. Okay, and then like I said, it seems like it's just your basic. Let's see, do we have a screw down crown here? No screw down crown here. I was gonna say it's your basic diver, but I don't think this is meant to be. I mean, I'm sure there's some type of water resistance, but no, without the screw down crown, this is not a. Let me see here. I'm trying to see. No, that's not threaded at all. Oh wait, no, It does have a screw down. Wait, I think it does. Yeah. I think I just screwed it. So my hands are a little sweaty. Yeah, it has a screw down crown. Okay. So you could dive with this watch if you really wanted to. So there's your case back. Like I said, no display case back. It's just a quartz. Looks like we do have Stuhrling here. And we'll see what the clasp looks like. Just kind of a regular clasp. All right, so let's try this on. Let's see what this looks like, guys. Let's take off the Seiko solar chronograph, and we'll throw on the Stuhrling here. Let's move that out of the way. We're going to go off camera for just a brief second while I snap this up. Here we go. Okay, so I probably, because my wrists are huge, I probably could just get away with a couple of micro adjustments. But it's really not a bad looking piece, to be totally honest with you. I like this a lot, actually, for $50. For $50, I'd wear this all day. But definitely a nice watch you're going to want to gift here. So we'll see if I hold on to it. I may end up getting rid of it, trading it, or something like that. But this is definitely a nice piece, like I said, for the money. This Stuhrling original here. And I really like that red hand. And as you can see, we do have a date complication as well. And I believe it says we have a Miyota movement. But we're going to take a look at the website so that we can be sure on the specs here. Let's go to the site, which I have here on my phone. So I couldn't find that on the Stuhrling site, but this is it on an Amazon link here. So we'll scroll down. As you can see, Amazon has it at $64. So, I mean, if you bought it on WatchGang, you got it at $50 shipped. Shipping included. Definitely not a bad price. You're not doing too bad. Let's take a look here. So there we are. Stuhrling. We'll take a look here. So you've got a battery here. Okay. Let me see if I can wipe my screen off here. My hands are so sweaty. All right, let's see if we can get this. There we go. Let's focus. All right, so we got a 20mm band, Japanese quartz it says, but on the back of the watch, it does say that it's a Miyota movement. Let's see here. Yeah, it's very simple. It doesn't really, it doesn't really go into anything too specific on the specs of the watch. It just kind of keeps it very simple, which, I mean, at this price point, what do you want, right? But no, not a bad piece at all. Not a bad watch, especially for the price. I definitely think it punches above its weight class and looks like a much more expensive watch than $50. And again, they're on Amazon for $15 more than I paid for with WatchGang. So if you want to sign up to WatchGang, I guess I'll leave a link in the description box. I never actually tell anyone this, but if you sign up, you use my link, they give you some points or something. I've put it at the bottom in the videos. I've put it in the description box. Not even in all of them, maybe in half of the videos on this channel. But I never promote it. It's kind of a, if you want to sign up, go right ahead. If not, that's fine. I'm not I'm not like, I'm not pushing anyone into doing anything, but I will leave that link below. And if you want to sign up, sure, go ahead and do so. And I think there's some kind of perk. I'm not even entirely sure what it is, but there's some kind of perk that we both will receive. So, but that's completely and entirely up to you if you want to do that. I do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much for stopping by, checking out Unbox and Chill, hanging out with me. I'm over here just with my caffeine, knocking out unboxings all day. I got behind. I have a couple videos to unbox here. So if you could, once again, before I leave, I'll just say, please, subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. I love when people reach out. I love to reach out back. I love to I love to reach out to you as well. I love to get back to people. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. This has been Unbox and Chill. Thank you so much for watching.